Good morning, everybody. We're back, and it's time for the Ranger. I'm ready. Is it gonna work? Probably not. No. But I got some new sunglasses. Look at those. Those heat waves, though. Come on. All right. So anyway, this is what we got to do. I'm ripping pretty much the whole top part apart. Put new gaskets under the intake. Make sure all the wires are good up under there. Got to get a fuel pressure regulator on there. Got to do a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm just gonna get the time lapse on. We're gonna start ripping stuff out. The rats have eaten everything again. You can see right here. They were just up here, just shitting on it, just shitting all over it. There's wires eating everywhere. We're gonna get this off. We got to replace this, the fuel pressure regulator, and then the disassembly. So, all right, well, let's get to it. Oh yeah, there's something else. So, the dumbass that worked on this and did most of this stuff before me, well, it was me, but it was before I knew what I was doing. So, we're gonna see some janky shit in here, I'm pretty sure. It's been a long time. I do remember I electrical taped all the wires to where they needed to go because they were like not in the right place. And they look like crap, so it's probably gonna be a lot of sticky, messy stuff because I didn't know at the time the electrical tape, when it got hot, it did that melty, just nasty. Alright, so I just wanted to tell you all that because I thought it was funny, because I looked in there and I've seen some things that are questionable already, and I was like, oh man, here we go, that dumbass before me. Alright guys, so got a lot of this stuff off, and you can see just how nasty it is in here. So first things first, I'm gonna go get some paper towels to cover up the lower intake, and we're gonna start taking, oh no, what is that? Oh, there's the other half of the oh nope, that's the last one I have. I need to get some more of these, so I'll forget about that later. Perfect, not a big deal. So yep, we're gonna plug these up, get all this cleaned out. I'm pretty sure this is my problem with the loss of fuel, but I just want to go through everything and make sure everything is good, so when I get there, there's no problems. So, all right. Alright, so I wasn't going to record today, but I've got to playing with the Ranger now, and I'm just going at it. We got the full Holley Sniper EFI kit coming for it, and that's like when it gets here I was going to do the video, but now I'm playing with it, so I got to start the video now. So there's going to be a clip right after this of whenever I worked on it like a month ago, and then all I got was the intake off, and then I was like, you know what, I'm going Holley, I'm going to change everything. So now I'm trying to figure out all the wires that's in here to try and see what goes where. You already got the coil unhooked, already got the box unhooked, all that's going. I got new stuff coming, got intake, distributor, the whole kit and caboodle. So I've got to cut out all the engine wiring. I'm kind of sick, so my nose is stuffed up, so I sound like heck. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna put y'all on tripod, put it on time lapse, and y'all's gonna watch this thing come together. The next video is gonna be, well, like the next part of this video that you're watching is going to be whenever I get more of the parts. But for right now, I'm gonna show you guys this. Let's go. Here we go. right, so just got the engine harness up out of here. I don't know what I'm doing at all, to be honest with you. I'm replacing the full engine management system, so I know I'm getting rid of all that. The body control module, I believe, is going to be, that's your start wire for the solenoid, and I believe this is your power going to the body control module for the lights and all that stuff, but I feel like it should be bigger. But the guy that built this thing before me, he's the one who put the motor in it, and then I like kind of went over everything after that. But I mean, there's just I don't get it. I'm astonished that this thing even ran, to be honest with you. I see why I had so many problems now. But yeah, I mean, I'm replacing everything, so it should run like a rape date. So we're just gonna keep on keeping on here. I'm just gonna keep cleaning up and stuff. I mean, there ain't really much to talk about while I'm doing it. It's just running wires, trying to see what goes where, and figure it out for myself, and then I can tell you guys. Yeah. But all right, here we go. Back more time less. So my buddy shows up. I'll put the video up off my snap, but four lugs broke. There was only one hanging on. He sold a lug nut off another wheel. Golly day. What is up? Alright, it's the next day. I got tangled up with all my friends. We was getting the Johnny boat back there going so I can take that out this weekend. Got it all painted up in here real nice. It's nice and clean now. It's not all scratch, old paint and grease and all that kind of stuff in here. So just got off work. Now it's time to hang out. Friday, and my packages should be getting here with the Holly Sniper in it, but my manifold won't be here, so I can't put it on yet. But I'll show you guys, and then you'll get to see me put it on in the next video. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Bring me them go fast parts. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so the Sniper EFI kit, some of the parts just got here. I got the whole entire system with the ignition box and the coil and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next video is gonna be the unboxing and seeing what it's like and start putting it on. So see you on the next one. Whoop out.